Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be discussing the different types of printables that you can create for your business, classroom, or personal use. Printables are digital files that you can print out to use as a tool to help you stay organized, manage your time, and plan your day-to-day activities. They can also be used as a marketing tool for businesses, as a teaching aid for educators, or as a way to keep track of your personal goals. So let's get started. The first type of printable that you can create is a calendar. Calendars are a great way to keep track of important dates and events. You can create monthly or yearly calendars, and you can even personalize them with your own images or logos. Another type of printable that you can create is a to-do list. To-do lists are a great way to stay organized and manage your time effectively. You can create daily, weekly, or monthly to-do lists and customize them to suit your need. Planners. They are a more comprehensive version of a to-do list. You can create a planner that includes daily, weekly, or monthly schedule, to-do lists, goal setting, and even meal planning. Worksheets are great teaching aids for educators. You can create worksheets for a variety of subjects, including math, science, and language arts. You can also create worksheets for personal use, such as budgeting or goal setting. Checklists are a great way to ensure that you don't forget anything important. You can create checklists for tasks such as packing for a trip, grocery shopping, or cleaning your house. Invitations are a great way to promote your business or event. You can create invitations for a variety of occasions, including weddings, birthdays, and business events. Gift tags are a great way to add a personal touch to your gift. You can create gift tags for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion. Labels, they are a great way to stay organized. You can create labels for pantry items, office supplies, or even your children's toys. Coloring pages are a fun way to relax and de-stress. You can create coloring pages for children or adults, and you can even use them as a marketing tool for your business. Finally, you can create printable wall art. Wall art are a great way to decorate your home or office, and you can even sell it on your website or Etsy shop. And that's it for today's video on the different types of printables that you can create. I hope you find this video helpful and informative, and you have any other ideas for printables, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!